The next step that you're going to take once you've got your spun document is you're going to go to a program called trafficrobot that we will give you access to. The setup of it is very easy. You install the program and then you will update the database with what we give you for the profile. Once that is ready, you want to go to Article Distributor. You want to bring up your document. Make sure you also have that available. Go to New Article Profile. You're going to fill in the information needed for this article profile from your spun document. You may have to take off some of your spun document text if it's outside of the guidelines for each different area. For example, the title. Go to Random Preview once entered. Title is 138 characters. There's a 100 character max limit. So you're going to need to maneuver this a little bit, taking some of the wording off. The other thing that you cannot use for any type of title text or in summary, in your summary text, are additional characters, like special characters, like the $sign or the dash for in the hands-free. These characters are also not allowed. It will also give you that type of error. For your summary, you want to choose anywhere from 1 to 3 sentences from your document, usually your first sentences. In the body, you want to put the complete body text of your document in spin format. Your resource, for the resource, I always use Buy Now. I do first letter caps at Amazon.com. Search for car mount or do good, have fun. In this first resource box, you can put HTML code. So you also want to take your link, one of them at least, and put it in there as well. But the format that you want to put it in is coded HTML format. So you're going to go ahref equals quotes, target equals dash link, close quote, close bracket, and you're going to put universal cell phone car mount, buy, do good, have fun. Don't forget your TM for trademark. You're going to close bracket. And when you preview it, it's going to give it to you as a link. They can click on the link or they can go to Amazon and search for the keywords. In the secondary resource box, you only want to use Buy Now at Amazon.com and search information. There is no HTML coding allowed. Next are your keywords or your tags, depend how it's worded in the different profile areas. Keywords are car, phone, mount, iPhone, mount, cell, phone, mount, car, cell, phone, mount. They will also be given to you. Next, you want to choose categories. You want to choose the first site. These are the different categories that you can put it into. Let's do cars. You want to do multimedia. You want to do computers and technology. You want to do what corresponds to the product. Shopping, tips and advice, product reviews. You're going to check. You've eliminated a bunch of them. Go to the next one. until you clear them completely. Okay, once you have chosen all your categories and you get this screen and it tells you all categories are covered for all sites, next you want to preview your document. Okay, 147 characters, here's your error, 100 characters max. Summaries, 266, 250 characters max. You want to fix this. You can also check by hitting generate and see if this goes away. It may go away for one, but not the other. So then you have to go back and you have to fix it as needed. Once it's fixed, you do a save as. You're going to do the month and the number. You're going to do A for article. You're going to do the number. And you're going to put the name of the document. Save it. I'm going to close. Make sure you've chosen your profile. And you have your article. You're going to click Article Directories, right click, select all, and you're going to hit go to submit. After you hit go, you may have to enter in CAPTCHA, or you may encounter some errors for the site. Make sure to report all errors and make sure to enter all CAPTCHA as needed. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. You may have to do it over again once all the remaining sites have finished. Please make sure to try your best on the CAPTCHA and do as needed to make sure that all sites are submitted to. Okay, it's doing automatic submission of the first site. This process does take a little while, but once you get it going, it goes fairly quickly. Go ahead and enter in the CAPTCHA. If entered incorrectly, you will see that the site will go to a green check mark. Has an error, so we'll come back to that one. Enter in the CAPTCHA. I'm going to pause the video so that this process can continue, and then we'll go on to the next step. Some sites may ask you to do something for it, like this one, article base. It tells you please select the appropriate subcategory for your article and then press continue button to continue. So here we want to make sure we have the correct go to shopping, and then we want to go to shopping. It didn't let us do it. Shopping. Go to gifts. Okay. And go ahead and click continue and let it process. And if you notice over here on Article Sager, we have the check mark, so that article was submitted. If for any reason you have an error and you submitted something incorrectly, you can go to the site itself and correct anything that needs to be corrected manually. All logins will be provided as needed. I'm going to stop those for right now so you know this one needs to be corrected. It tells you, right click, mark as unsure. It needs an added step. Something was incorrect, and I believe it was the CAPTCHA that was incorrect on this one, so that needs to be corrected. For blog sites, you do the same thing. You make sure your profile is chosen. You go to New. You fill in the information that's needed. Some sites may have more than others. Types of sites may have more things to fill in than others, depending on the type of site. These are for blog posts, so you need title. Tags and keywords are the same. Tags you can also put categories, but they're basically the same as the keywords, which will be given to you. Body with HTML and body without. Notice here you can strip the HTML from the body. Always make sure to do a preview to make sure you're in limits of any overage. Save. This one would be month and the number of the month, dash article number, dash blog, dash title of the article. Next, these are the directory submitters, different article directories. Go to New, you do the same thing. This will be provided for you. Title, tags, keywords, short description is the first 1 to 3 sentences, matching the character limit, and your long description as well, 300 to 500 characters, matching your character limit. Choose your site. To choose your categories, make sure you've got them all. It will dissipate as you go along. Save. This one you want to save month, number, article number, dash directory, dash title of article. RSS profiles. RSS sites, sorry. User profile, New. These 2 links will be provided for you. Title, tag, description is 200 characters max. Again, first sentences, and then in the ending, you choose to make sure that it sounds correctly and that you're getting most of your message across. Site, again, choose your categories, check it to make sure you have them all. Save, month, number, article number, dash RSS, dash article title. Press release sites. Again, make sure you have your user profile chosen. New. The only difference with this one is that you will need to have an image of the product, which will be provided. Again, you use your spun title, a summary, 1 to 2 sentences, your body with HTML and your body without, tags, which are your keywords, your image, which can be uploaded, your sites. In order to choose your categories, check them, make sure it's correct. Random preview to make sure that the article looks appropriate grammatically and sounds appropriate grammatically. Save. You want to save a press release as month, number, dash article number, dash PR for press release, dash title, short title description. And again, to submit to any of these sites, you highlight, press release services, you highlight it, select all, and you hit go. This is for any of the sites that you need to submit to. Microblog. Microblog is just a little bit different. It has just very little information that you need. All you need is 140 characters. You save it the same way, month number, article number, put M blog for microblog dash a small title. You save it, you can preview it before it goes out, it'll be in spin text. Wiki. Wiki, you do the same thing, it's a title and a body. That's the only thing you need here. Making sure to give your ending, buy now on Amazon.com, search for and give the keyword. Random preview, save, month number, article number, dash wiki, dash title of your article. PDF. PDF is a little bit different. You're going to do the title and you're going to do a summary. Make sure you're in limits of the summary. You're going to put your tags, which are your keywords. You're going to connect a PDF file. If you do not have Adobe Acrobat to create a PDF, we can provide the PDF file for you. In the PDF file, the way you do it is you use Word and you save as PDF. In your Word document, you also include images, any images. And then you upload your file here, your sites, choose your categories, check to make sure all are complete, random preview to make sure everything is fine, save. You're going to save a PDF profile as month number dash article number dash PDF dash title. The next step that you're going to do is you're going to take here where it says log viewer, all the links that have been created. You're going to click copy links. You're going to go to a website. We'll give you this information and a login. You're going to log in. You're going to go to Tools, URL Boost. You're going to paste your link here. You're going to add it. It'll drop to the bottom. I'm not going to add these right now because these were just test links. Any links that are processed, you're going to go to links processed, and you're going to have your list here to see that they processed. This is it for trafficrobot and links. The next process that you're going to want to do, if needed, you're going to go to a website called WebWire, and these are for the press releases. Once a press release has been submitted and links have been populated, you will want to pull the report for the links. Go into the account provided that you need. Today is May 28th. Go to the date of the press release. Right here on the right hand side it says view this report. This is where you're going to pull the links. Right click, open in a new tab. I usually use a text doc. Pull up a new text doc. And in order to get the links, you need to right click on the link, copy link, and paste. You're going to do this for all of them. There are 100 links in all. There is a report that will be given to you so that you can put these links in that report as well. On the left-hand side in the first column, you want to put the date of the press release, and then you're going to put the link, and then the next column to the right, you're going to put the date the links were submitted. The next step after you have these links, you're going to go back to where you were right now in the URL Boost. going to copy your links. I'm going to go to Tools, URL Boost. I'm going to enter in your links. Again, you will have 100 at one time. I'm going to add links. It'll populate to the bottom. And any links that have been processed, you go over here and you view your processed links. If you are told to pull review links for a product, then you would go to Amazon.com and you'd be given the keyword to look for that product or the direct link. You go to drying towel. This is one of our products. Then you go to the reviews. And what you're going to do is you're going to go newest first. Right here where it says permalink, you want to right click, copy. Again, pull up a document, text doc, so you can pull the links. I'm going to go to a website that we give you to log in, to use a tool. Tools, URL Boost, put in your link, add link, and it's going to add that link to the list. Any processed links will be over here, and you're good to go. Again, there will be a report that you have to put these into, that you will list the date submitted and the link.